Ignite Their Future Summer Camp is a great learning opportunity for middle school and high school age students who are interested in exploring STEM and STEM-related career fields. Students participating in our camps get to expand their knowledge and excitement of STEM subjects through hands-on activities that really bring those subjects to life. This summer we have camp options that include everything from engineering technology, physics, computer programming, all the way to health occupations. Ignite Their Future allows students to learn from subject matter experts at Idaho State University in college laboratories and classrooms. It's a really fun way for them to get to know faculty and to learn more about our campus. If you're looking for an engaging STEM-related experience for your middle school to high school age student, please go to the website below for more information and to register.